Hello everyone and welcome back to my Lightway YouTube channel. Today, I'll be sharing some valuable insights that we know you'll enjoy. Sit back, grab your favorite drink and let us get started. Today's video talks about the benefits of connecting with nature for spiritual growth on Emma's life. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Let us go to the video soon. Once upon a time, in a bustling city engulfed by concrete and steel, there lived a young woman named Emma. Emma was a driven individual, constantly striving for success and achievement in her professional life. But deep within her soul, she felt a sense of disconnection and longing for something more profound. One day, in the midst of her busy schedule, Emma stumbled upon a small park nestled amidst the towering skyscrapers. Intrigued by the vibrant greenery, she decided to take a break and immerse herself in nature's embrace. Little did she know that this encounter would forever change the course of her life. As Emma stepped onto the dew-kissed grass, a wave of tranquility washed over her. She marveled at the delicate dance of sunlight filtering through the leaves, the symphony of birdsong that filled the air, and the gentle caress of a soft breeze against her skin. In that moment, she realized that nature held a profound wisdom waiting to be discovered. Driven by curiosity, Emma began to explore the wonders of the natural world. She took long walks in the woods, hiked up majestic mountains, and gazed at the vastness of the ocean. With each adventure, she felt a deep sense of connection and belonging, as if nature was whispering ancient secrets to her soul. As Emma's connection with nature deepened, she noticed a remarkable transformation within herself. She found solace in the stillness of the forest, a respite from the chaotic world. In the presence of towering mountains, she felt humbled and inspired by their grandeur. And as she stood by the ocean's edge, she experienced a profound sense of awe and the realization of her own place in the universe. Nature became Emma's sanctuary, a place where she could escape the noise and busyness of everyday life. It was within these serene landscapes that she found clarity, peace, and a deeper understanding of herself. She discovered that nature had the power to quiet her mind, allowing her to tap into her intuition and connect with her inner wisdom. As Emma continued her journey of spiritual growth through nature, she unearthed the profound benefits it offered. She learned that nature was a potent catalyst for self-reflection, a mirror that reflected her true essence back to her. In the stillness of a sunset, she found answers to questions that had long puzzled her. In the embrace of a forest, she discovered a sense of unity with all living beings. Moreover, Emma realized that nature had a transformative effect on her overall well-being. The fresh air invigorated her body, the sunlight nourished her spirit, and the natural rhythms of the world restored balance to her life. Nature provided a space for healing, for letting go of worries and embracing the present moment. With her newfound connection to nature, Emma's spiritual growth blossomed. She developed a deep appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things. She felt a renewed sense of gratitude for the earth's abundant gifts. And she became an advocate for preserving and protecting the natural world, recognizing that its well-being was intricately tied to her own. As Emma integrated nature into her spiritual practice, she discovered that the benefits extended far beyond herself. She became a source of inspiration to those around her, encouraging them to reconnect with the natural world and experience its transformative power. Emma's presence radiated a sense of peace and harmony, reminding others of the importance of nurturing their souls through the beauty of nature. And so, dear reader, remember Emma's story as a gentle reminder of the profound benefits of connecting with nature for spiritual growth. Amidst the chaos of modern life, take the time to seek solace in nature's embrace. Allow its beauty to ignite your spirit, to heal your soul, and to guide you on a journey. Thank you for watching our video and making it all the way to the end. We hope you enjoyed today's insights and learned something new. If you like to contact me, Facebook and Instagram link in channel description. We also want to hear what you think, so leave us a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.